Hello everyone, I'm Gordon Picardo 25. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about gears, the Lego gears, and I'll be giving a few demonstrations and examples and other uses. So with the utmost basics, I've built this small contraption here. Utilizes 3 different types of gears, of which I'll be pointing out. First is the knob gear, which only connects to other knob gears. It can be used horizontally and vertically, and spinning them around, well, cause them to spin, provided that they are attached, of course. The most basic usage would be in straight line with like an x plus x, or inversely plus x plus. You cannot put like a plus and a plus or a cross and a cross together, but they have to be inverted. Next would be basically spur gears, like the ones here, or this one. Spur gears can be interacted with in many ways. They're mainly identified by the fact that the teeth almost have the same thickness as the wheel, the piece, and it's mostly flat. In a lot of cases, spur gears can be put next to each other. The same kinds can be put next to each other, and there can be an interacting peg holes for them. The final gear kind would be, well, at least for this contraption, would be these black gears with rounded teeth. I'm not sure if you can see it over there. One major thing about these gears is that two of the same kind cannot be put directly to each other and have space to fit on, well, a beam or frame or anything else. You have to use like a small, a medium, or a large. Can't do like small, medium, large. It has to be like small, medium, small, large, medium, large. Now this is the next contraption I have. It utilizes 2 flat gears, which are half a Lego unit large. These gears cannot, well, 2 of them cannot be put next to each other in the same orientation and spin or mesh. They have to be put sideways or in different directions. There is a particular gearbox piece that works well with 1 large and 1 small gear, and it can, as shown here, work perfectly for spinning. Following up with the small tan colored gears, there's the Turntable Gear. It uses 1 gear with 3 small tan ones. The way this works is that in the event that just one gear in the system is unable to spin, another is still able to keep doing so. So if I hold a turntable, this gear is able to power this one. Or if I hold on to here, the turntable is moving. If no gear is held, then it really depends on how things are going. Sometimes it's descent, sometimes turntable. And these are the three basic gears, gear contraptions actually. In this video we covered knob gears, spur gears, bevel gears, these flat disc ones, and turntable gears. We're going to cover 25. Thank you for watching.